thank each one of you for being here on a very short notice. We thank each one of you. My dear friends, all of you know this is an extraordinary event.
Sir, please little louder.
It's an extraordinary event in the history of any nation, and more particularly this nation, and an extraordinary event in the history of this institution of judiciary. It is with no pleasure in our hearts we were compelled to take this decision to call for a press conference. For some time, the administration of the Supreme Court is not in order. There are many things which are less than desirable which have happened in the last few months. Time and again, as senior members of the court, and it goes without saying that we are the senior most judges of the country also by virtue of age and our office today, senior judges, we thought we owed a responsibility to the institution, to the nation. We tried to collectively persuade the Chief Justice that certain things are not in order, therefore he should take remedial measures. Unfortunately, our efforts failed. And my dear friends, we are all, four of us are convinced that unless this institution is preserved and it maintains its equanimity, the democracy will not survive in this country or any country. For the survival of a democracy, it is said, the hallmark of a good democracy is an independent and impartial judge. The judge is symbolic here, is the institution. Judge, the statement, but judge in the context means the judiciary. Now, well, anyway, a lot of things have been published in the press, pro, contrary, whatever it is. We are not entering a regular, it's not a political meeting where we go into all this controversy. But since all our efforts failed, even this morning on a particular issue, four of us went and met the Honorable Chief Justice of India with a specific request, which we could not unfortunately convince him that we were right and the appropriate decision is to be taken. We couldn't convince him. Therefore, we were left with no choice except to communicate it to the nation that please take care of the institution and take care of the nation, because we have heard a lot of wise men talking in this country earlier. I don't want another 20 years later some very wise men in this country blame that Chelameswar, Ranjan Gogoi, Madan, Lokur and Kurian Joesph sold their souls. They didn't take care of this institution. They didn't take care of the interests of this nation. We don't want it to be set. So we place it before the people of this country. That's all, gentlemen, we wanted to inform you. About a couple of months back, exact date and all we'll give, four of us gave a signed letter to the Chief Justice of India. We'll give copies of that letter. You can call out from the letter what exactly happened. And we wanted a particular thing to be done in a particular manner. A thing was done in a particular, thing was done, but in such a way that it left too many questions, it raised further questions and further doubts about the integrity of the institution. That's what we believe. And many more things happened. So, and this morning also we had to go on something like this. Four of us went, met the Chief Justice of India, made a request that a particular thing is not in order, therefore it should be rectified. In spite of four colleagues, senior most colleagues of the country, of the Chief Justice and senior most judges of this country requested, the Honorable Chief Justice thought that we are not
right. Justice lawyer's case? What was that issue, sir? What is that issue, sir?
Why are you forced to maintain secrecy?
Is it Justice lawyer's case?
Why the secrecy even now? Why don't you speak out? What is it?
No, the reason is this. See, everybody knows everything. I'll tell you something. See, look here, we are not regular, we are not running politics here. And then, you know, somebody making a statement, somebody contradicting it tomorrow.
But sir, then it leaves a lot of things to speculation. And it's just better if it goes out for the debate.
All right, we'll tell you. Once you look at the letter, you will know what exactly the complaint which you are making. We'll just give you a copy of the letter.
There is no speculation here. we are going to give you a copy of a letter which we had written 2 months back. All the issues are spelled out there. Go through that letter, you will know what the issues are. Do we have to repeat those issues again?
Sir, and
But today morning,
you,
sir,
what
you
are
met,
the...
is there any specific issue? Is
It
it just as low as...
it is an issue of assignment of a case, which is an issue raised in that letter.
According to you, what are the remedies now?
One.
Do you want the Chief Justice to be impeached?
Sir, we are not saying anything. Let the nation decide. We are nobody's to decide.
I think whatever Justice Chelameswar has told you is the whole of it. It's a discharge of a debt to the nation that has brought us here. And we think that we have discharged a debt to the nation by telling you what is what.
So you also
More
have to,
is there in the letter. Beyond this, I don't think there is any other issue
so what
we need to
happens
address.
forward? How is the cause taken forward? That's
We are speaking for ourselves. We are not consulted. Since we are in the senior most four, we discussed. Since we four went in the morning, we are speaking for ourselves. We didn't discuss it with anybody else.
Sir, is this a kind of no confidence against the Chief Justice? No.
Sir, don't put words into my
No,
mouth.
just asking, since you people have come out and...
Sir, what are the issues you are seeking redressal for, sir?
Sir, if you could read one paragraph of that letter.
We'll make copies of it.
Ma'am.
I'll just read one of it.
Sir, a little louder.
Now, my dear friends, we have one copy of the letter. We need to take copies of it. Just wait for 10 minutes. We'll give copies.
You could read two lines.
Just give us 10 minutes. You'll get.
Let them make copies here. Let
Huh?
them make copies.
In the meantime, could you read out a few points from the letter?
Copies have to be made in the meantime. How will you do it exactly?
You make copies and I send it for the government.
Just pick it.
I think that's about it.
Sir, you
Now,
will tell us the
now,
main- sir, what are the
What issues? What will you do now, sir? What is the next step? What is the next
What is the next step? Tomorrow is Saturday, the day after tomorrow is Sunday, Monday we'll go to the court and decide cases.
Sir, is this about the composition of the constitution benches also?
Sorry?
Is it about the composition of the constitution benches also? Senior judges are not included. That is one of the
You
grievances.
read the letter, you will get answers to all these questions.
So just a
give
two-part
patience.
question.
Huh?
Can we construe this one as a sign of protest and two, now what is expected of the chief?
Well, that's what we failed. We failed.
It is not, you may construe it as a sign of our responsibility to the nation and nothing more. I think we have answered all and we have made ourselves very clear. There is nothing further
Are
to
you
say.
listening to the President also?